Hi honey bunny, welcome back to my channel. If you are part of the bunny family, welcome back sis, and if you're not part of the bunny family, I'm Rocky. I make videos about natural hair, healthy skin, and just overall health and wellness. So if any of those topics interest you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so every time I upload you will be the first to know. In today's video we are going to be doing an elongated braid out. I love braid outs. Give braid outs a try if you haven't already. And this particular technique I'm going to be doing is going to give us definition, volume, and elongation because I'm just really into elongation right now. So I wanted to show you what I do with my braid outs when I want volume, a little definition, and elongation. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this beautiful braid out, let's just hop into this video. Okay, so we are going to start this style using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, the Curl Gel Souffle, and these are both from Shea Moisture. I also have a spray bottle of water, and it's actually warm water. And we just want to work on damp hair, not soaking wet hair, because we want our twist out to be elongated. And we're just going to use a fingertip amount of product and just rub your hands together and then spread it evenly throughout your hair. And you want to make sure you coat all the strands of hair, and that's why I like to use a brush, just so that I can try to use it to kind of brush the product through my strands. And then I'm just going to do a regular 3-strand braid. I will be using a rubber band to just hold the end in place. The elongation is really going to come from working on damp hair, not wet hair, and using this curling souffle is going to help give it some additional hold and weight. And also using the Curling Enhancing Smoothie, which is a pretty heavy product, will also give my hair a little bit of weight as well. Once I get to the part of my hair where it's different layers and I would have to borrow from one section of my braid to make another section longer, I just go ahead and rubber band right there, and then I just do a 2-strand twist the rest of the way down. Because my hair is layered, it's never even. I can never get a full braid all the way down, which is fine because if you like volume, you're going to have layered hair. So when I run into that, I never borrow from the other strand. Rule of thumb, don't do it. Okay, so I'm gonna let this style set for a bit. I'm gonna run some errands and then I'll be back to show you the final look and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the final look. The last time you seen me, I said I was going to let my hair kind of set and then I'd come back to you with an update. It's been a few hours. As you can see, your sis has gotten glammed up. I just did a photo shoot. If you are into photos and things of that nature, make sure you are following me on Instagram. The photos have been uploaded already on my Instagram. So if you are following me on Instagram, you will have seen it. And if you're not, you can follow me at XO_Rocky or XOXO_Rocky, and you can find me there. But yes, this is how my hair has turned out. Last time you see me, I said I was gonna let my hair set. This is the volume my hair got naturally. I did not pick, I did not fluff, I did not separate. I literally left my hair alone, and as the day went on, my hair just got bigger on its own. As you know, if you've been following me for a while, I do not always separate and fluff because I like definition and I like tamed hair. Now this is an elongated braid out, so the goal was not for a lot of volume, it was for definition and elongation, and that is another reason why I didn't separate and fluff. I just wanted to maintain as much definition as possible. So we use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I have used that before for like a braid out, and it always gives me really fluffy big hair. So I know this going in that my results are going to be a little bit of fluff, which I like. I like this fluff with definition. But if you like definition without the fluff, I would recommend that you use the Shea Moisture curling milk. So this particular line, the coconut and hibiscus line, has a curl milk. So if you want a little more definition and less fluff, use the curl milk and not the curl defining smoothie. If you like that fluffy defined look, then use the curl smoothie. And we also use the curling gel souffle, which gave us just enough hold. So the smoothie gave us that fluffiness, and the curl souffle gave us a little bit of additional hold. So like I said, if you want more hold and less fluff, use the milk and use the souffle. Your braid out, your twist out, whatever you do is going to come out bomb. But what I like about the smoothie is it's really, really moisturizing and hydrating, and my hair loses moisture like that. And I knew I was going to be out, I was going to be in the heat, I'm in dry heat, so I need as much moisture as possible. So that's why I like to use the smoothie. But everything is kind of trial and error. Do what works best for your hair. But I'm really happy, I'm really pleased with the way my hair came out. I love the elongation, I love the volume that I did achieve, and I love the definition that it gave me. So I'm going to give you a quick look at my hair. So I really do hope you try this style. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. As always, I hope you learned something new. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya!